Alright, what's up guys? Tip and Tara here, and today is a big day. We're going to finally start to build.
Yes. So we are going to do our subfloor. Now we have the Promaster with the factory floor already in, and after much debate we decided we're not going to bring that up. So we've heard from lots of people that it's a pain to pry it up, and we're just gonna keep it there, and then we're gonna put a piece of like a little bit bigger than 1/2 inch plywood down, and then build from that. So we're gonna do all of our measurements and get our template, and then we'll start cutting.
All right, let's do it. Tara is just putting in the finishing touches to our stencil. Alright, so we got 3 pieces of board that are all 4 by 8 feet. The Promaster is 6 by 12 roughly, so we're gonna put them all, we're gonna cut it 6 feet to go in, so we're gonna cut all the pieces 6 feet before we put the stencils on. So, what do you measure out, like 71 3/4?
Yeah.
We're doing it 71 3/4 because the length of it is 71 1/2. So we want to just cut a little bit wider and adjust if we need to. So, here's my little ruler. Alright, that's going to be the cut. Just a little off, huh? That's better. Right. So I got to clamp them down. Go to town. Clamp it down, go to town. Alright, so this is the first official cut into some wood for the van. So let's do this. Alright, now that we have that piece cut, we're just going to draw a line with the second piece and do that with the third piece and keep rolling. But now we're going to use a skill saw. I didn't think about it with the jigsaw. I was trying to be precise, but we use the skill saw first, then the jigsaw. We're working as we go. Put my tool belt to use.
tip the tool man. Yep.
All right. Alright, so we just put one of the pieces in and we did cut too long. We're gonna cut about half an inch off of each one. So make them, 3/4, make them like around 71 inches, maybe 70 and 3/4 or whatever. So we'll see. This is a trial and error. Alright, so Tara made the measurements. Now she's gonna use the jigsaw to recut it down to 71-ish, so hopefully this is the right one.
If not, we cut again.
Yeah, right. Alright, now that we have all the boards cut to kind of the space that we want, Tara is going to she's measuring out the stencil, so 4 feet. Then we're gonna cut that out and we're gonna stencil one out and try to get some cuts around the wheel well here.
Why does that look so crooked? I guess this is crooked.
There's the stencil. Stencil. Alright, we got the stencil all lined up. Lining up-ish. Tara checking a billion times.
Down that way. Right?
Dang, just slightly.
Big. Well,
it's just this over here.
And this is probably just a little bit.
Dang it, we need to cut a little bit more, so we're about to do that now. All right, one more try. Almost. All right. All right, last and final try. Third time's a charm. Boom. Well, we want it stuck.
Yeah.
I mean, we can.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's good.
I mean, we can adjust it a little bit tomorrow. You know, just take this right here.
Yeah, and I think a little bit right there, but I think it should be.
Yeah.
Well,
the thing is, can we get it up? Check it out. It's a nice, tight, snug fit. We might make a little bit more cuts, but yeah. Alright, so that concludes the finish of the flooring, the subfloor that we've done. We realized that we hadn't recorded what it looks like, so we wanted to do that really quickly to show you what it looks like before we start putting stuff on top of it. So those were the toughest parts right there. Just cutting this back piece right here. There it is. Now we just have to screw it down.